The Xiaopeng X9 was launched in early April. The new car will mainly optimize and upgrade its intelligent driving, configuration, battery, etc. Among them, the laser radar can be cancelled in intelligent driving, and it is expected to be replaced by the same pure visual intelligent driving solution as the Xiaopeng G9. In addition, the lithium iron phosphate battery version will be added to the four-wheel drive version. The overall appearance of the new Xiaopeng X9 continues the design of the current model, adopting a younger, more science fiction and avant-garde design style. Its angular structure is the biggest design feature. The biggest change is the optional black coating on both sides of the front bumper, while the current mid-range and high-end models of the Xiaopeng X9 are equipped with laser radar in this area. In terms of body size, it is positioned as a medium-large MPV. The vehicle is 5,293 mm long, 1988 mm wide, 1,785 mm high, has a wheelbase of 3,160 mm, and has a 7-person seating design. In addition, the new car will have two new multi-spoke wheels, 19 inches and 20 inches, and the tires will be offered in two different specifications, 235/55 are 19 and 235/50 are 20. In terms of interior, referring to the current Xiaopeng X9, the layout is simple and extended, the physical buttons are basically cancelled, and only the multifunction buttons on the steering wheel are retained. All on-board functions are integrated into the 17.3-inch central control screen, equipped with the XOS Dimensity Intelligent Cockpit System, built-in Qualcomm Snapdragon 8295 Intelligent Cockpit Chip, and XGPT Lingxi large model. In terms of intelligent driving, the current Xiaopeng X9 has a pure vision version and a laser radar version. The pure vision version is equipped with the Spylop assisted driving system and NVIDIA Orin X chip, which supports high-speed navigation assisted driving. The laser radar version is equipped with the XNGP high-end intelligent assisted driving system and dual NVIDIA Orin X chips, which can realize the mass production of the full scene assisted driving system. It can support the full intelligent assisted driving experience from a single point on highways and urban areas with or without maps, without relying on high-precision maps. In terms of power, it continues to offer two power systems, single motor and dual motor. The single motor model has a drive motor with a maximum power of 235 kilowatts. The dual motor model has a maximum power of 235 kilowatts for the front motor and 135 kilowatts for the rear motor, and the total system power is 370 kilowatts. In terms of battery life, it can be seen that the current Xiaopeng X9 optionally offers an 84.5 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery pack and a 101.5 kWh ternary lithium battery pack. The CLTC's pure electric ranges are 610 km, 702 km and 640 km, all-wheel drive respectively. The Xiaopeng X9's range increases by 300 km after 10 minutes of charging in ultra-fast charging mode.